Okay, so this is the album that we're going to be making. I'm using this as a recipe book, but you can use it for pictures from a farm or whatever you like. I just love, love, love this Graphic 45 farmhouse paper. So I've just covered the outside very simply. Add a little sticker here. Nothing too much going on the outside, too fancy, but I did use this little latch hook to keep it all nice and closed. And I have a little pocket here with some little tags just for cuteness. They're not really functional. I guess you could put a tiny picture on there, but I doubt it. Anyways, let's open it up and see how it goes. So we have here a waterfall on the left. So I've left this some of these blank depending on what you want to use them for. I'm probably going to put pictures on this side. So I'll just leave them for now until I decide what I'm doing. I still have a little bit of paper left over. And then down here, it just folds out. Okay. Then over to the left, this folds open. And I have a magnet here. So lots of room for writing down either long recipes or journaling. Pocket, and that flips open, so more room here. And we'll get to the center section. So here is attached with two brads, and this is a nice accordion page. So I haven't finished decorating this, but I'm going to put this little notebook in here, and where I'll keep a lot of my recipes written, or just actually even just glued into that notebook. And then this opens up, and we have a pocket here, a couple of cards in this pocket. Okay, this is just raised up, and then this opens up again. I have another pocket here. Okay, and then this is a belly band. I've got a few cards. I can just slide under here. That. And then finally, we have the waterfall in the center. And I've used number stickers because I'm presuming I'm going to put recipes here. 3. Okay. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we're going to walk through how I put this together in